Welcome back to the channel Crypto Tro. I am Crypto Tro, bringing you the latest and the greatest in cryptocurrencies. And today, Tro is back with another Crow video, man. And we already know we've been talking about the Crow burn and everything that's been going on, but I'm gonna show you live stats of how the burning is going, the community pool for the burn, the price, and much, much more. But before we get into that, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and turn on those notifications, man. If you like Crow videos, make sure you tap into my crypto.com Cronos blockchain playlist. I got a lot of information on there going back way, at least 2 years, man. So you can look at the most updated videos, see what I'm talking about on Crow, see why I'm bullish on Crow, and also make sure you check out that playlist and also check out my link in the description below for a crypto.com referral if you haven't already signed up. Both of us get a free $25 once you use my link. So use that link right now. Sign up for crypto.com. Start getting into the crypto space and start trading cryptos. And before we go too deep into it, I gotta let you know I am not a financial advisor whatsoever. So always consult with somebody before going too deep into the crypto space, because we know how volatile it is and we still are in a bear market. So you want to be safe when investing. It's fun to invest in crypto, but it's not fun losing money. So always make sure you consult with somebody before going too deep into it. Now that's enough of this spiel. Let's talk about it. Crypto.com. What's new, man? Let's see what is new with crypto.com. So right now I am on coin market cap, and we can see Cronos is at 5 cents, almost at 6 cents, down less than 1% on the day. Now we know, it's like I always say, if you watch any of my videos in the bear market, I'm gonna say this, man, we're in the bear market, so you really can't think too much of it. As long as these projects are continuing to put out updates and showing us what they're doing, I'm going to continue to invest in the projects that I have conviction in, man. You got to know if you got conviction in certain projects, because that's what's going to keep you investing in this bear market where everything is down, everything is going down. We see every crypto is pretty much going down across the board, man, or staying stagnant. So I'm not looking too much deep into it, especially in the bear market. If it goes down, I might buy more, or I might just hold my position right there. But I wouldn't sell at a loss, me personally, unless the project just completely, stop updating us and stop giving us good feedback, stop listening to the community. Then that's when I would probably exit out of the project. But when it's too early, you don't want to leave nothing on the table, man. You want to continue to invest on those downtrends, buying little by little, not over spreading yourself, or investing too much that you can't lose, but $10 here and there, and it's going to build up, especially if we stay in the bear market for a long period of time. So we can see right now market cap is at $1.5 billion on a day, volume is at 5.5 million, and that is a lot of volume in my personal opinion. Now gotta look at the volume and seeing what people are doing, and we see that the volume is continuing to be there for Cronos, and that's very bullish in my personal opinion. Now to the good stuff, man. So Cronos just tweeted this yesterday. It says, since the burn proposal passed last week, more than 2.4 million Crow has piled up in the Crow fam community burn pool and grows steadily day by day. So we see people saying, let it burn. We want that Crow to burn, and let's see how much Crow have we initiated to burn on the Cronos blockchain. So this is the community pool details, and right now it's 148,000 in the burn, and that's about 2.4 million Crow. So we can see this live and see all the community pool value and how we plan on burning this Crow, and that's going to be very bullish moving forward. So I love to see when Crow is actually going forward with what they put out, and they usually do, and this is something that I look to see in a bear market. Projects really just following and sticking by what they are saying they're going to do, and Cronos is going to burn some Crow. And I know it's a lot of tokens out there. There's billions of tokens of Crow tokens, but it's just making it more scarce by burning it. And since we are in the bear market, we might not see a lot of burns, but if they continue with this, we might see a lot of burns in that bull market moving forward. And it just goes back to me saying, I think that Crow can eventually hit the same thing or do the same thing that Binance did, BNB Coin did, And if we was to see the same or Crow with the market cap of BNB, we will have a 31x, and that's $1.90. So I think that's very much possible. Right now, Crow is at 1.5 billion, Binance is at 47 billion, but that's gonna change in the bull market. Binance is gonna continue to go up, and Crow will be right behind it. But like I say, I always tell people I like Crow because they're attacking both sides of the spectrum. The centralized side and a decentralized side. Crypto.com, the app and the exchange, is one of the best exchanges out there, in my personal opinion. But not only that, they still are building on the DeFi side. It might have slowed down. A lot of developers have left their projects, but this is just the first time the Cronos blockchain has even went through a bear market. So you got to understand, a lot of people will leave and go to chains that have experienced bear markets already, but I still see projects building on the blockchain, and those projects will thrive in the bull market just because they stuck around. And people, trust me, people are going to come back to Cronos and the crypto.com platform just because it is one of the easiest ways to buy crypto, especially in the United States. I know me personally, I had a trouble actually signing up to Binance because it was so many things that I had to do to get verified, but crypto.com was easy, it was simple, and I just did it, man. So I think a lot of people will come back, and we know at one point in time, crypto.com was one of the top finance apps on the Apple Store, on the App Store. And I believe this can happen again once, sentiment about crypto comes back up. A lot of people just get into crypto when it's hot and they hear what's the next hot coin. And I'm telling you, crypto.com has been listing a lot of coins that people will find valuable or people will want to buy in the bull market. And I know you're asking, like, Tro, how does that have anything to do with Crow? Well, people are on the platform, they, buying cryptos, and they see, okay, what's Crow? Because Crow is going to continue to pop up on the app and continue to be used on the app. So people are going to be like, what's Crow? It got to be connected to crypto.com or Cronos. So let me see what that about. Let me buy some of that. And I think people are going to start buying more and more Crow once we hit the bull market. So that's my video for today. Just wanted to give you an update on everything was bullish on the Cronos blockchain. And yes, you might say, Tro, you must be a maxi. No, I'm really just putting out this information that I see that I find bullish, but you can have your own opinion on things as well. Let me know how you feel about Crow in the description, in the comments. Let me know how you really feel about Crow. If you believe Crow can continue to go up in the bull market, or if it's gonna be a dead project. Me personally, I think we still have a long ways to go because we are not out of the bear market, and I don't never count projects out in the bear market because everything is down. You want to see projects die in a bull market. That's how you truly, know what project lasted through those hardships and those hard times. So I'm Crypto Tro. That's my video. Make sure you hit that link in my description for the crypto.com $25 referral fee. We both get $25 once you sign up on crypto.com app. So click that link, sign up, and also if you want to get in contact with me, my Twitter link is in the description as well. So click there, follow me on Twitter. I follow back. So follow me. Ask me anything if you got any questions, or just create a dialogue and we can talk about Crow and other projects that I invest in as well. So Crypto Tro, that's my video for today. I'm out of here.